The Literate Shepherd's Son. In a village there was a shepherd who had a clever and educated son. This son helped his father with counting and keeping track of the sheep. Every evening he would diligently count the sheep and report the numbers to his father so the shepherd could make informed decisions. As the years passed, the son grew up and decided to seek an education in the city. After years of hard work and dedication, he became well educated and returned home to his family. His father was overjoyed to have his educated son back and asked him to help with counting the sheep once again. The sheep were herded into the pen, but it seemed like the son was struggling, and the task was far from complete. It was evident that he couldn't count them accurately. Frustrated, the father asked his son to return the sheep to the field and start over, but it appeared the son was still unable to complete the task, even as the night approached. Finally, the father couldn't contain his frustration and asked his son, "You used to count the sheep accurately before, and you gave me the numbers. But now you haven't finished the task even by midnight. What's the reason?" The son responded, "In the past, when I wasn't educated, I used to count the entire sheep. Now, with my education, I try to count their legs, divide by 4, but I can't figure out why the result doesn't match." The moral of the story is that sometimes we overcomplicate things due to our knowledge and assumptions, while the answer might be much simpler. It's important to remember that education and knowledge should simplify problems, not make them more complex.